Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is Ritendra Rathod and I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I come with very special lecture. Today I am going to preach Srimad Bhagavad Gita in Japanese language because this is my attempt to make people understand about the real importance of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, actual importance of Srimad Bhagavad Gita to Japanese people in their own language, Japanese language. Because it is my attempt, it is my only initiative to create awareness about Srimad Bhagavad Gita and make people understand about the real meaning and the real importance. So I am trying my best, I am putting my best effort. If I made any mistake, then please kindly make me know and please kindly forgive me. So I have to start. Hare Krishna. Vatasi Ritendra Rathod, Vatasi va Sekiyo Sadesu Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Verse number 22. Chapter number 2, verse number 22, chapter number 2, Lord said, Vasansi Jinaya Yatha Vyaya, Navani Garanti Naropparani, Tata Sarirani Vyaya Jinaya, Anyani Samayati Navani Devi. Vasansi Jinaya Yatha Vyaya, Navani Garanti Naropparani, Tata Sarirani Vyaya Jinaya, Anyani Samayati Navani Dehi. I must have to repeat. Vasansi Jinaya Yatha Vyaya, Navani Garanti Naropparani, Tata Sarirani Vyaya Jinaya, Anyani Samyati Navani Dehi. The meaning of the purport of this verse is in the Japanese language. I must have to speak in Japanese, and this is my attempt to make Japanese people understand about the importance of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So I am trying to speak. I am putting my best effort. Ito ga, I must have to speak in Japanese. Ito ga atrakshi boku yo kiti purari mo o akira meru to doyo ni Tamashu va atarashi bushitushu tikina karada o kire furiyu monu to yakunti mai mono akira medasu. I must have to repeat because it is required most. Ito ga atarashi poku o kite furi mono akiru monu ko tu doyo ni tamashi va atakrashi buteshu tekina karada o kire Furi mono to yakunti movi mono o akire meneshu. The meaning of the purport in English, because it is required, because so many people are watching my videos, and that's why I am trying to make people understand. I must have to speak in English. In the meaning of the purport in English, as a person put on the new garment, as a person put into the new garment and put on new garment and giving up the old and useless one, as similarly our soul accept the new material body and giving up the old and useless one. Lord Krishna here said, as a person put on a new garment, and giving up the old and useless one, as similarly our soul accepts the new material body and giving up the old and useless one. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Sakyoso dono sheshu sodusu mono nei soro vasa jesuna va jiniru to junashenyo kagaku no hondesho watashi wa nimoku no mezu jineru o sendeshu shisu to sentu indonashu. I am trying to understand that this is in Japanese. I must have to speak in English. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is neither religious book nor spiritual book, but actually it is a book of the pure science and humanity. And I am only trying to propagate a humanity on basis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, because Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the best way to morally motivate to anybody. And I am only trying to morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempted to commit suicide, because Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the best way to mold our character, to enrich the moral value in the society. And that's why I am putting my best effort to enrich the moral value as well as to build a character of our future, of a future generation. That's why I am putting my best effort, and I must have to introduce Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I am also having Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is. Srimad Bhagavad Gita as it is, written by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Mahaprabhupada from ISKCON temple, and this is a most authentic source. And I must have to say that this is a pure book of the science and humanity, and I am trying to propagate and as well as morally motivate to those people who are actually frustrated and attempted to commit suicide, to prevent people from the suicidal death and make our nation free from the suicidal death. That's why I am putting my best effort. And please, I must have to say that please follow each and every verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, because Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the best way to build our character and is the moral value. And that's why Lord Krishna said, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partha Dhanudhara, Tatra Sri Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. Means Lord Krishna, this is not said by Lord Krishna, actually this is said by Sanjay. This is the last verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, verse number 78, chapter number 18 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Here Lord Krishna said, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partha Dhanudhara, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partha Dhanudhara, Tatra Sri Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. Here Sanjay said, whenever there is a Lord Krishna, the Supreme Personality of the Godhead, and whenever there is a Arjuna, the Supreme Archer, at that place, when the both people together and someone reads Srimad Bhagavad Gita and following Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then that particular person will get Tatra Sri Vijayo. Tatra Sri means here Lakshmi or affluence, supreme affluence. That particular person will definitely get a supreme affluence. Tatra Sri Vijayo means that particular person will definitely get a supreme victory. Whenever he go, whatever he do, he will definitely get a success in his particular work. He will definitely accomplish his work. काम करने को काम करना नहीं कहते, काम चालू करने को काम करना नहीं कहते, काम करते रहने को भी काम करना नहीं कहते. तो काम करना किसे कहते हैं? काम करना उसे कहते हैं, काम खत्म करने को काम करना कहते हैं. If we have started some work, if we will not finish that particular work, then what will happen? That our work will never be finished. We will have to finish our work, and whenever we will finish our work, at that time our work will be finished. So काम खत्म करने को, काम संपूर्ण करने को काम करना कहते हैं. So this is why I am putting my best effort to preach Srimad Bhagavad Gita in various languages, even though I am putting my best effort and my accent is not too good in Japanese language because I am not habituated to speak in Japanese language, but I put my best effort. So I hope you understand. If I made any mistake, then please kindly forgive me, and thanks for your support and coordination, and thank you so much for listening me. Hare Krishna.